Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create a C# project in Visual Studio. Whether you're a beginner looking to start coding in C# or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through all the essential steps to get your project up and running. Launch Visual Studio on your computer. Click on Create a New Project from the Start window. You will see different templates. Choose Console Application. Enter your project name and solution name. Let's quickly clarify the difference between project name and solution name in Visual Studio. Project name, the name of a specific project within Visual Studio, focusing on a single application. Solution name, the overarching container that can hold multiple related projects, helping to organize them. Choose location your project. Select .NET version if prompted. After the project is created, you'll see a pre-generated code file. Click Run, Start, to build and run the project. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to create a C# project in Visual Studio and understand the difference between project and solution names. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tips.